Today we discuss about mitosis. The main point of mitosis are introduction, 5 phases. These are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. Characteristics, features of the phase and significance of mitosis. Now first, introduction. Mitosis is a phase of cell division in which the development of an individual from zygote to an adult stage takes place. अर्थात समसूत्री विभाजन वह अवस्था है जिसमें इंडिविजुअल का विकास होता है युग्मनज के द्वारा. इन माइटोसिस multiplication of cell number takes place and its continuous process giving rise to two daughter cells that resembles each other and also the parent cell qualitatively and quantitatively. माइटोसिस के दौरान कोशिकाओं की संख्या में वृद्धि होती है. इसके द्वारा 2 पुत्री कोशिकाओं का निर्माण होता है जो कि एक दूसरे से समान होती हैं तथा पुत्री कोशिकाएं जनक कोशिका से संख्यात्मक एवं गुणात्मक रूप से समान होती हैं. नाउ सेकंड, phases of mitosis. The mitosis phase consists of 5 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. Now first, prophase. Cell gets prepared for cell division as shown in figure first A. At the beginning of prophase, chromosomes appears as thin filamentous uncoiled structures. In the middle stage, the chromosome appears coiled, shortened and more distinct. In the late prophase, longitudinal splitting of each chromosome into 2 sister chromatids are visible. Double structure of each chromosomes are seen clearly. Sister chromatids at this stage are attached only at the centromere as shown in figure B. The 2 chromatids remain attached to the spindle tubules with the help of kinetochore. Nuclear membrane disappears and nucleolus also disappears. These are the characteristics of prophase. Now second phase, that is metaphase. As shown in figure C, during late prophase and early metaphase, spindle fibers start appearing. The chromosomes arrange themselves in the equatorial plate. The spindle apparatus that helps the chromosome to arrange themselves in the equatorial plane is formed with the help of centromere, particularly in the case of animal cell as shown figure D. Centrosome have 2 centrioles which spare at the time of spindle formation and lie on opposite sides of the nucleus. When the 2 centrioles separate, astral rays start radiating outward from each centriole. This will join and form spindle fibers. This characteristic feature of this phase is to determine the number of chromosomes. इस प्रकार मध्यावस्था में नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स इस अवस्था को के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स को निर्धारित करता है. थर्ड स्टेज, दैट इज एनाफेज. After spindle is formed and the chromosome get arranged on the spleen, the chromosome split at the centromere also. Sister chromosomes, or we can say sister chromomeres, separate from each other and are called daughter chromosomes. These daughter chromosomes now move towards opposite pole of the spindle. Movement is by constriction of spindle fibers takes place, as shown in figure E. Now fourth stage, that is telophase. Nuclear membrane is reconstructed around each group of chromosomes, giving rise to one nucleus at each pole. Nuclei start reappearing and this process is called nucleogenesis. Nucleogenesis, the process of reappearing of nuclei. Now fifth, cytokinesis. Division of one nucleus into two is called as karyokinesis. Karyo means nucleus, kinesis means formation. Division of one nucleus into two is called karyokinesis, and it is followed by cytokinesis. That means division of cytoplasm into two cells. Division of cytoplasm takes place by two ways: cell furrow and cell plate. Cell furrow, for example, in animal cell. In case of animals, outer layers are more flexible due to the absence of cell wall. In such cases, a circular constriction appears at the equator and it converges on all sides, finally separating two daughter cells. Second way, that is cell plate. Example, in plant cells, a more rigid cell plate is usually initiated at the center and is completed towards the periphery. Thus, the entire process of mitosis takes 10 minutes to several hours. Now, significance of mitosis. It helps the cell in the maintenance of size. कोशिका की साइज को मेंटेनेंस करने में मदद मिलती है. It helps in the maintenance of equilibrium in the amount of DNA and RNA in a cell. एक कोशिका में DNA व RNA की मात्रा को इक्विलिब्रियम करने के लिए, मेंटेनेंस करने के लिए माइटोसिस की आवश्यकता होती है. प्रोवाइड्स एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट टू ऑर्गन्स एंड द बॉडी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स. यह एक अपॉर्चुनिटी, अवसर प्रदान करता है कोशिका की ग्रोथ, ऑर्गन्स के डेवलपमेंट के लिए और ऑर्गेनिजम्स की बॉडी के लिए. द ऑल डिकेइंग एंड डेड सेल्स आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय न्यू वंस by the process of mitosis. It is very important significance of mitosis, that is the all decaying and dead cells. हर्षित होने वाली व मृत कोशिकाओं को रिप्लेस करने के लिए, नई कोशिकाओं द्वारा रिप्लेस करने के लिए समसूत्री विभाजन अत्यंत आवश्यक है. गोनेट्स एंड द सेक्स सेल्स डिपेंड ऑन द माइटोसिस फॉर द इंक्रीज इन देयर नंबर. गोनेट्स और सेक्स सेल्स अपने संख्या में वृद्धि के लिए माइटोसिस पर आधारित होते हैं. क्लीवेज ऑफ एग ड्यूरिंग एम्ब्रियोजेनेसिस एंड डिवीजन ऑफ ब्लास्टिमा ड्यूरिंग ब्लास्टोजेनेसिस इन्वॉल्व्स माइटोसिस. माइटोसिस के अंतर्गत एम्ब्रियोजेनेसिस भ्रूण उद्भव के दौरान अंडे में विदलन तथा ब्लास्टोजेनेसिस के दौरान ब्लास्टिला का निर्माण व ब्लास्टिमा का डिवीजन माइटोसिस के लिए पूर्ण आवश्यक है. थैंक्स.